The available blind spot view monitor helps provide a view of the blind spot region when changing lanes. It does so by displaying the blind spots of the vehicle in the instrument cluster when the turn signal is activated. It uses the surround view cameras located on the bottom of the side mirrors to provide an image. The system can be turned on or off in the driver assistance menu. Select Setup. Then select Vehicle. Then Driver Assistance. Then Blind Spot Safety. Then Blind Spot View. Check or uncheck the box to turn the system on or off. Other features such as Safe Exit Warning and Active Assistance are covered in the Safe Exit Warning and Blind Spot Collision Avoidance Assist videos. Once Blind Spot View is turned on, when you signal to turn left, you'll see the left side rear view of the road on your instrument cluster. You'll see the other side when you signal right. The blind spot view system will not operate if the turn signals are not activated, so it's important to always use your turn signals when changing lanes. It also will not activate if the hazard warning flashers are on. And if other warnings pop up, they may take priority over the display in the instrument cluster. The driver should hold the responsibility to control the vehicle. Do not solely depend on the blind spot view monitor system. Genesis Blind Spot View Monitor System is a valuable driver's tool, but it is no substitute for alert driving. For more helpful information on your Genesis, be sure to explore the how-to guides on the Genesis USA YouTube channel and mygenesis.com.